put it down. By the way, the directions for the 83 and the 84 are exactly the same. Okay, that was the data. Now it's only in one log table. I hope I got it all. So, in your 83, for those of you who are running around with 83s, because I don't have mine, so it's going to be like we're pretending here. The first thing you want to do is hit your STAT button. And the 84s, by the way, do the same thing. STAT, stat. It should be near the top somewhere. Now, you're going to want... So, what we're doing is this column, if any of the directions, we're doing the left column of directions because that's where all we have is a single set of numbers. This is where we have a frequency distribution. That's the two sets of numbers. We'll get to one of those in a minute. So, you now want to choose Edit from your stat menu. And you should be looking at L1, L2, L3, L4, or I don't know how. Anybody not looking at L1? You're now looking at L1. Anybody else not looking at an L1? All right. Now, if you have any numbers in there, you need to clear them out. The way to clear them out is while you're in column L1, push your up button so that you now have a black box around the L1. Hit the clear button and then push the down arrow. That clears out column 1. All right, are we ready? Yes? She doesn't have an L1?
Yeah.
Setup editor. Go back to stat and setup editor.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Now, hopefully everybody can read that. Put the data in. Doesn't matter what order you put it in, but just put it in 18, 22, 15, 22.
Just L1.
Just in L1, working your way down. Oh, yes.
Got it.
If you got an error when you, if you use the TI-30XA and you got an error when you did the clear data, it means you don't have any in there, so you can just start putting some in. But what you won't get that error from now on because you're going to have put in data to do this problem, and then on the next problem you want to clear that out and put in data to do the next problem. No, yeah. So if you start with the next step, if you push it, like type 18 and then hit that sigma plus. Yeah. So now it says you have two things in there. If you hit second CSR. It didn't give you an error this time. All right. What? There are 18 numbers. Then you put one in twice.
No.
The blank one down there? No, it does not. That means you actually only have 18. Because you should be on N parentheses 19 after you put in 18 numbers. All right. Has everybody got their 18 numbers in? No? You want to come help them with theirs? All right. Now. So now you clear it out. And then you press sigma plus. That's one number. Okay, one thing is in there. Then you keep, yeah, now you do 22. Sigma plus. And now you do 15, sigma plus. All right. How are we on getting our numbers in? No. But they're pretty darn close. Good enough. Okay, we got it? Not quite. Looks like everybody's got them in. Hit your stat button again. This time you want to press your right arrow to go over to calculate. You want to choose one variable statistics. And now you hit enter. Whoa. And happy people, it sounds like, have x bar equals 19.
Well, I put in one.
Okay, but did you do the other? So then the next set of directions you want to follow. So it is 18 because there are 18 numbers up here.
I got 18.
Then you must have put in a number wrong. Did you guys all get 19? Because that's what I got the first time. Then you put a number wrong. All right. Then you have, this is your mean, by the way. So it just calculated it for you. Then you have sigma x. We're going to ignore that. That was the sum of the x's. Then you have sigma x squared. We're going to ignore that. That was the sum of the x squared. Then you have s sub x. We're not going to talk about that today. That'll be Tuesday. Then you have n equals 18.
No, there's one.
Oh, did I miss? Oh, wait. I forgot. There's the sigma x. We're going to completely ignore that. Then you have n equals 18. And an arrow next to it. Oh, but that's something different. So, hang on. Yeah, we're not there yet. We're ignoring that. Still mean 19. Now, for those of you who have graphing calculators, if you push the down arrow, you have next x min, or min x, okay, min x. And then you push the down arrow again, you have q1. You push the down